Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now let's get started. Enjoy the show. This video is called Bluey Pulls the Fire Alarm Grounded. Now let's get started. Enjoy the show. Yeah. Okay, class. Now we're going to be continuing what we read yesterday. So King Saul was like over 1 million subscribers, like over how many games like a funny jellyfish was a king over and it's like said and then the king was no longer be able to play soccer because blah blah blah. Yeah, this is boring. I'm just going to pull fire alarm. Yeah. Okay. Now, can I use the bathroom? Sure. But hurry. I will. Okay, here it is. Here it is, the fire. Now, before we need to make sure no one's looking. Okay, I don't think so. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, I better get out of here so I don't get caught. I better get out of here. Come on, everyone. Come on. Okay. Now, what we need to do is all we need to do is wait for Bluey. Yeah, that's how you pronounce her name. Wait, this wasn't a fire drill. Look, the alarm's pulled right there. Yeah, I think it was Bluey. And plus, there's a fire truck. Because as soon as she walks out the room, as soon as she goes to the bathroom, the alarm starts going off. Alright, fine, I pulled the alarm. I didn't want to do this stupid test. Whatever we were doing, go home right now. That's in. Oh, Bluey, how dare you pull the alarm. That's it. You are grounded for 5 months. No, sorry, for 5 days. Oh, and don't forget to tell her that she's suspended for 5 months. Yep, you're grounded for 5 days. So that means I get to have the rest of the months? Well, after 5 days, then maybe. Yeah, you could. But right now, you're grounded. Go. I'm gonna throw you. Go out of here. Vet. Never pull an alarm at school. Only pull an alarm when there's a fire. Never make a false alarm. Well, before we get started, first, if you pull an alarm, the police department will charge you $12,000. Second, you're going to get a ticket by the, what's it called, the policeman. Third, you're going to have to owe the fire department, the company, for making a false alarm, $12,000. And fourth, you're going to get arrested, maybe. Well, unlike Bluey over there, my daughter, I'll have to cry because I can't believe my daughter will do something. Dad, yes, there's cockroaches. Yeah, I put it because you were punished. That's a punishment. Now watch out for them. No. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Bye.